Agus le tús ceart I dhéanú leis an ihe. Bhail Catherine Seeley Corin were like last ard vera Corliard Wahad Rahid Navana agus Craig Gavin agus onahas gur onahas oringe gur beats in a dostal and okid shaw or something corded. So because you can't introduce no be or he amact agus Linn were watch a core rugby show Catherine Seeley.
Marlis Admara ar Corliard Waha Drahad an Abana agus Fergavin. Tanahas Oram Falshamora Curro Gulir Hug and Shola Lor Shaw Lake na Lakera. Folks, I'm learning Irish at the moment, so that's probably the best I can do tonight, and I'm sure you will forgive me because this is probably then the most English that you will hear. I'm currently taking a class once a week and I'm working up towards doing a full speech eventually as Gaelic. As the Deputy Lord Mayor of Armagh City, Banbridge and Craigavon Borough Council, I am extremely proud of this achievement by two of our very active citizens in producing these ancient tales in such a superb book, which I had the opportunity to get a look at today. It was sent to me and I have to say I was more than impressed. It's a fantastic 280-page hardback and full-colour publication which retells the story of Cuchulainn, written by Raymond O'Keeran and decorated beautifully with the new artwork of Doris. The story in this art books are all from the ancient Ulster cycle, and they tell the story of Cuchulainn from conception to death. The writing is powerful and it is a very easy read. These ancient stories were first written down in the 7th century by learned and creative Irish monks who had intimate knowledge of the region they described. Cuchulainn is a powerful symbol of bravery, loyalty, beauty and intellect, and his spirit has inspired revolutionaries, artists, sportsmen and women and leaders for more than 1,000 years. And I want to congratulate both of those who are involved in bringing this story to us today. I congratulate both on both the writings and the artwork, and I would like to thank in particular Gael Linn, who have published this book in partnership with Gaeltacht Trust. And I am delighted that the CEO of Gael Linn and the Director of Gaeltacht are with us tonight. It is also great that Wendy Dunbar, whose design work on the book is amazing. We have the tax advisor all the way from Derry and also the photographer who are all able to make it to this prestigious event tonight, to Falshamore Rove. I'm going to now hand you over to your MC for this evening again, Kieran. I've just left a meeting on the refugee crisis and I'm meant to close it up in Craigavon, so you will see me dash off. But thank you for allowing me to be part of the event tonight, and I wish you well, and of course I wish the book great success. Gurmila Mayoga.
Gurmila Mayoga.